Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we are featuring our Open Arms Funeral Program template design. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content to equip you during a time of loss. The front of this program design offers a heavenly landscape with soft, billowy clouds. The Savior's open arms stands above heaven's gates with illuminating cross, and is a visual illustration of a welcome home. The main colors presented in this design are blue hues. The front cover text box can be edited with your own information. The back of the program continues the coordinating cloudscape background, accented with a white dove and white transparent overlay box, ready to contain your personalized information or photos. The inside of the program continues with a complementary cloudscape design, and a smaller gate accent beneath the soft glow of light. This exquisite backdrop is set behind the content area, where you can place your order of service, poetry, or obituary information. This is a perfect choice for either a special man or woman and is from our faith-based and religious collection. We provide filler text within the entire template to help guide you along, but you are free to edit and change it, as desired. There is a photo box on the cover and text boxes on the back and inside pages. You are able to change the shape of the photo box and can insert additional photos anywhere within the template, if desired. The program prints on 8.5 by 11 inches or letter-size paper, front and back. The program folds directly down the center. It measures 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches in height, when folded. Our template is expandable to unlimited pages with all fields editable. This purchase is an immediate download which includes template formats for Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs. Our Open Arms design is offered in this traditional letter bifold program and many other styles. Order this funeral program template today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.